This tutorial is provided by the Training and Transformation Team, a part of the Office of Training, Investigation and Safety. OTIS is a shared service of the Department of Human Services and Oregon Health Authority. Hello and welcome to the Digital Databook. This brief tutorial will provide direction on how to navigate the databook and access the data in different ways. First thing we want to demonstrate is the Settings option. This allows us to display data relevant to Community, Oregon State Hospital, and Regulated. Let's select Community as an example. Notice how the visualization changes. We can then interact with the data further. In the top right of the screen is a table with data on abuse types. Clicking on one type, for example, physical, the visualization changes again. We can then go down to the bottom right and hover over the blue part of this circle. This will pop up data showing the timeliness of investigations, including those that required an extension. Now, imagine we want to change the abuse type we're viewing. This is an important point. Return to the list in the top right corner and deselect the abuse type by clicking on it again. By clicking on the abuse type we're currently viewing, physical, we deselect it and return to viewing all data for community investigations. Remember, we know this data is for community because we checked the box in the settings list. Let's uncheck community. Notice that we have now returned to the original view. Let's change the view in a different way. Imagine we wanted to see all data by an abuse type only. Navigate to the abuse type list in the top left corner and check one box to see that data in isolation. We can refine this further by clicking a box in the settings list. By holding down Control and left clicking, multiple abuse types and settings can be selected. They can be deselected in the same way. One last point. Hovering over a data representation will provide additional information. We can also click on a part of a visualization to isolate and view all the additional available data. To deselect and return to the original state, we can click again. This concludes our tutorial. Further assistance can be accessed by contacting OTIS.